Hey guys, Wednesday, September 11th, 2024. Let's see what the Black Widow wants to do today. So far, looking at our simple glance using the daily chart only, you can see that now it's been official. The Black Widow is in the cloud. What does that mean? According to the Ichimoku creator, theory is once you're in the cloud, welcome to the wild, wild west. This is where price action gets very, very unpredictable and erratic. So expect some crazy moves once it's in the cloud. Once you either break down or, as they say, break above, things get better. But it's unpredictable when you are in the cloud. So far, we're having a tough time at the 200 moving average. We're above the 50, the 20, and below the 100, and still positive, but getting kind of weak here. It's kind of getting tired. Revisit 230 here, came down, came back here, pulling back, and now just kind of like undecided inside daily candle. Let's see how this is going to get resolved. I don't know if the EIA report is going to give it any either direction, but I'm sure maybe that's what everybody's waiting for, to see what the numbers are. Look at that candle on the weekly, undecided, positive, but doesn't want to go higher. Mobile's negative. Stokes are just kind of On the daily chart using monthly pivots, you can see that this is where we got to deal with resistance zone 230. That's what I say. If we get to close around here by the time this week ends, that's positive. Because it's just a slow grind high. But there's a couple of things lining up here. Spectrum cycle analysis is kind of getting very toppy. When I mean toppy, short term, the daily cycle is now about to be turning. And then the cycle now is down, while the weekly cycles are up. So it's natural maybe for natural gas now to retrace, maybe if it's going to follow the spectrum cycle analysis and maybe fill these gaps that I'm worried about below. And then once it turns, we could fill those gaps up and then follow the cycle up again. But the weeklies are up. The dailies are in transition to start turning down. So we'll see. There's a few that I've been watching on that. So that's where we're at here. This is pivot of 224. Keep an eye out. That's what we're just kind of chopping around. Using our 4-hour chart with weekly pivots. So far now a PPS sell signals kicking in, but not official until we close this 4-hour chart or candle. Mobos are positive. Stokes are kind of unwinding, so maybe this is a snapback. As long as we could at least hold 221 and obviously your midpoint, which is 218 for the week. So you see, there's bulls showing up, but then they don't have enough strength to push it higher to test 230. This is your 230 right here. And we're having a tough time getting up there. I was thinking by 2 a.m. in the morning, it was probably going to maybe continue rebounding, but it's just been kind of going sideways here, showing all this buying interest, and then to like fall short here. It could go either two ways. It could go down and test some levels, which I think would probably be your midpoint for this level here of 221, and then bounce from there and kind of wait for the report to come out tomorrow at 10. That's what I was thinking. Looking at the hourly, you can see the mobiles are now falling below. But we'll see. Maybe the bulls will hold this area. But for today only, you need to hold 219. If this holds here and it bounces, maybe we get to kiss 232. Or maybe we just go back here and just wait, chop around and wait for the EIA report. Let's see how that's going to play out. Either way, let's see how it's going to all resolve. But you know the key levels to watch so far, it's just been very quiet. in the overnight session. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.